Green Street mi ma kwa ba.
Prof Pacho me da se bebre.
Na bibia boko de.
Nyankopon adom opani.
Sure, etie foti.
Prof we dey ese we di nkoma chentin ye be boni tew na enkomo ne dey enkomo dada e wo system no munti no. Ende ye hwe ye man pani John Dramani Mahama ye de akofuna hye ni semo on the 7th of January Black Star Square no. Na we di nka hye bobi say obe onyasa akwanya no a obeye dwumedie sonku bi samre no otunidin 120 days social contract with Ghanaians. Enti no Nyankopon ya adomu a onya akwanya no ana ye toma no a ye di ni si so on the 7th no subsequently no opa saa dwumedie ne ho ntoma na enumu no na oma ye hu say or outlining 25 key policies, activities, any major reforms bi a saa time no or the share 120 days in contract no the share mu. And you know that 120 days document was embedded with 25 key policies, activities, and reforms. And you know, eno ho dwumedie na prof we dey meboni tew na my summary kakra because of enkomo odi na we nyambre ato dwumedie no so 220 days you know, 25 policies, activities and reforms you know. Mefa no bako aboni tew na ne edi kan no ye man pani ma ye hu say sa within 120 days you know obebo ne ho bodin pa na ayi ministerial friend is saying a friend is saying
appointments
ministers you know within the ministers you know it could be a friend of cabinet ministers.
The cabinet ministers.
Yes, that constitutes about 19 of the ministers you know, or try say within the first 14 days you know obebo mbodi na sa cabinet ministers you know wapa omo ade bia otumi ye na osign number 2 osama ye Ghana 40 assess from 1992 ebesi ono ne fourth the second term year ye gusu wo mu you know ono na ban na obe constitute the leanest and most efficient government. Let us say from a year previously, who ministers, a 100 ministers, so ministers, you know. Ono my yet says obey 60 ministers. Na sa a year Bosch and so no, Wamagana Fuhu, Amana Bimu. Number 3, no just a code of conduct and standards. Prof, and Chay be a NID, San Comono, our table is what made this a Monday, no, and a year research desk, Yaba, Ujumedi Swa, Yabema Ghana for who say on the 5th of May. And I am my penny a pass a code of conduct. I want and 20 and also no my penny to me a disabortion. So number 4, a national economic dialogue. And also the my penny to me a di hujuma bosha wa manabimu. Number 5, or share send the first 90 days you know or bebon homebody now or the nyama to kwemu na bibia naka ye freno satam 94 to the draconian taxes. Let us say chamene etua yetua e twa nipa mene. Sano mutu ni dina ebine ye levy COVID levy 10% levy on bet winnings any emission levy and also no ye man penny etumi edi sa boshe no so wambra finance minister ato forcing call parliament kwa kan first budget no we tumi edi so number 6 or say within the first 90 days you know obebo and homebody pa na we review taxes and levies on vehicles and equipment imported into the country. I know yede be agriculture, agric nuani juma, ejuma, any industrial purposes. And also no yaman penny etumi edi hu juma. Number 7, or try say omo campaign na no no last year 2024 no. Flagship phrase be omo use year 24-hour economy policy. On my penny my yeti assess a bosh toso number 7 no. Or try say onya sa kwan na obedi hu juma ama 24-hour economy no wapa ho entoma. And also ya die bia we to ho anamo. Number 8 ne year establish an accelerated Export Development Council. Eno ya die bia we are yet to see. Bosha 25 na nyani nyina no tumi ye enti no nia otumi ye no ye be hu na nia wentumi anye anase egu apono so obe hu adwuma no. Enti number 8 no Accelerated Export Development Council no ya die bia we are yet to see and it say da pono so adache omo be hwe na omo aye. Number 9 it say convene a national consultative conference on education. We to me aye no ye nuaba Shamima Muslim etre say ye Africa Education Watch Kofi Asari ndi wonkomo sa conference no Ebasuma Yenia Bema Kofi Asare Sukobi. Number 10, implement the no academic fee policy. And also no wetumi aye. And no aye for all first year students in public tertiary institutions. Public tertiary institutions in here, the universities, the teacher training colleges, the nursing training colleges, and any keka hon wetumi aye sa ade no a ode sika sunku bi a prof wakasa obodi ode kwahye mu. Number 11, introduce free tertiary education for persons with disabilities. No, say the Ghana Medical Trust Mahama Cares Fund. No, wetumi edi hu djuma enu no na say ya o kire say the ministers bi a wamra ya kaso mo declare mo asset o mo ntumi anya within some 3 days, within a certain time frame no what 3 months salary if some ministers no dey kwato Mahama Cares Fund no mo no wama yehu intina no wetumi anya. Number 12, or say commence distribution of free sanitary pads and also your man penny etumi aye embrebie omo to edi hu djuma and also no omo di sika kese bi ekwohye mu Ghana for airway intina wetumi. Number 13, or say institute inquiries and or forensic audits into the following matters where your scandals are horror your man penny wambra your man penny Akufo-Addo teso no course ebi said the collapse of the indigenous Ghanaian banks and then financial institutions papa UT bank ne your friends papa Pakusindum there keka woni aden sa djumedie e cost Ghana 25 billion Ghana cedis na your man penny say scandal bia illegal printing of money by the central bank. The $58 million National Cathedral scandal, illegal and inflated single-sourced contract, COVID-19 expenditure scandal, PDS, Ejapa, SML, ambulance spare parts
ambulance spare parts deal.
I know your man penny the baby na ne ho bomb oni nikunu na ho bomb pa 13th African Games I course so e wo Ghana ha say in Boteman e wona dwumedie ni kese na course so Sky Train wambra former railways minister Peter Amewu ono so maye wo say Sky Train no na nya de e be possible enti ono kra no ne pronouncement no na ma Ghana hu say bibi e course so aye fishy ye man penny excess obehwehwe mu Pualugu Dam math set issue bi so e ba Galamsey fraud, missing excavators and tricycles, Sputnik V no dro bi a COVID ba na ye de bobo enkrofo na immunization bi no any bust scandal and others enti na mabobo so na scandals e course so e wo mampani dada Akufo-Addo mbre so mampani John Dramani Mahama
so you can say that they are alleged scandals.
Fantastic. Yes. Alleged. And yeah, yes, is do. I know that my peniche say, "What's Ghana for boss as part of the 120 no?"
Good.
I don't know. We are here to see all these things. Number 14, the institute a government policy banning political appointees from purchasing state assets. I don't know code of conduct.
I know the code of conduct. No, sir. I dear we are on my penny there by me. I dear many so many jehon. So metimi aye dia because the item who no say aban bi wo ho a oba beko a na car sa mu yusu car no board den na ya teso kra na dia ma sa minister na na say aban edwuma ni panyin no na dia ma na so onton fan kofi car wo beton be 4 billion no etimi ba so beton be 60,000 70,000 80,000 so what I say and you know it's a good call. It's a good call. Institute a government policy banning political appointees from purchasing state assets. That's a good call.
And the state assets, no say it also includes a buy assase and any kika. You know, it's embedded in the code of conduct. Number 15, allocate seed money for the establishment.
Let me help you. Allocate seed money for the establishment of the Women's Development Bank. I believe he's done same with that in that regard. And then the other ones also there you can carry it across to a
Jumera program, National Apprenticeship Program, and a 1 million coders program. And also the idea we've seen all these have seen the light of day. Number 17, commence the review of the Customs Amendment Act 2020 to scrap importation of salvage vehicles, home use vehicles in this annual no. Prof, you know, send an me enumerate.
Maybe let's wrap up.
You know, wrapping up, no, with your Wadaruma, which I'm in Breca Crib, I share economic assessment.
No, sorry, because I break this assessment we'll be doing it later with our guests right here in the studio. So quickly, let's wrap up and then let's wrap up and then have some conversation right here. Because I was a guest now about they've traveled all the way from somewhere to be here, and we can't afford to let them stay over here. Time has consumed us. So
Prophet, you know, man, this same way try to talk. Out of 25 pledges a month in a year, within 120 days. You know.
Sure.
Which me I am 18.
Good.
Our trust that represents about 72%.
Sure.
Now aka 7 na oguso year. Now Ghana for assessment or much any say my penny asemo all can say why mu 17 aka 18 no. Omo de omo be rate my penny 80%. Yebeka who can say government minister communications minister Felix Ofosu-Kwakye say oberity about 72%.
Yeah.
Yeni aba Shamima Subeka said they've done more than 72.
Yeah.
Ghana for so say about 80%.
All right, that's fine. Thank you so much for coming on the show.